Students, today we are going to learn a new chapter and the name of the chapter is circle measures. In 8th standard, we studied to find out the area and perimeter of different polygons. For example, square, rectangle, parallelogram, triangle, etc. But not studied about the area and perimeter of circle. And today we are going to learn the area and perimeter of circle. Listen, here I drawn a circle and it is the radius of the circle. Radius means the length from center to circle is the radius, and perimeter of circle is, the equation to find out perimeter of circle is 2 into pi into r. Pi is a number and the value of pi is 3.14. So perimeter of the circle is 2 into pi into r. R is the radius of the circle. Then area of the circle equation is pi into r square. Value of pi is 3.14. R is the radius of the circle. Understood? Now in your textbook, all of you open page number 137. The first question. In the picture below, a regular hexagon, square and a rectangle are drawn with their vertices on a circle. Calculate the perimeter and area of circle. So first picture is a circle and a regular hexagon. A circle is passing through the all 6 vertices of a regular hexagon. Okay, we have to calculate the area and perimeter of this circle. So to find out the perimeter and area, we want the radius. So how we can calculate the radius of the circle? So first join the center and all 6 vertices of this regular hexagon. Okay. Now we get 6 different triangles. In a regular hexagon, if we join the center and its 6 vertices, then we get 6 equilateral triangles. Equilateral triangle means all angles and all sides are equal. So here the 6 triangles are equilateral triangles. So length of one side is given. So regular hexagon means all sides are equal. So all sides are 2 centimeter. And these triangles are equilateral triangles. In equilateral triangle, all sides are also equal. So this length is 2 centimeter. So from this figure, we get the radius of the circle equal to 2 centimeter. Radius of the circle r equal to 2 centimeter. Therefore, perimeter of circle is what is the equation to find out perimeter of circle? Is 2 pi r. 2 into pi into r, that is 2 into pi into value of r is 2. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into pi. Perimeter of the circle is 4 pi. So here the value of pi is 3.14. That is 4 into 3.14. .56 is the perimeter of circle. 12.56 is equal to 4 pi. Okay. Then area of circle. Area of circle is equation pi into r square. Pi r square, that is pi into r. R is 2 centimeter, 2 square. That is pi into 4 equal to 4 pi. 4 pi is 12.56. That is 4 into 3.14. That is 12.56 centimeter square is the area of the circle. Here the perimeter and area of the circle are same. That is 12.56 centimeter. So first one is completed, regular hexagon. Already calculated the area and perimeter of circle. Then second one is square and circle. So here ABCD is a square. Square means all sides are equal. Given one side of the square is 2 centimeter, therefore all sides are equal. It is 2 centimeter. And circle passes through all 4 vertices of the square. We have to calculate the area and perimeter of this circle. Okay, so first find out the radius. Join the diagonal AC, and this line is passes through the center of the circle. That means AC is the diameter of the circle. So how we can calculate the length of AC? Listen, here we get 2 triangles, triangle ABC and triangle ADC. These 2 triangles are right angled triangle. Right angle triangle means one angle 90 degree. So by using Pythagoras theorem, calculate the length of AC. Okay. By using Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? It's hypotenuse square equal to base square plus altitude square. So here hypotenuse is AC. That is AC square equal to base square. Base is AB. That is AB square plus altitude. That is height. Height is BC square. That is AB is 2 square plus BC is also 2 square. That is 4 plus 4 plus 4 is 8. That is AC square is 8. Therefore AC is square root of 8. AC is the diameter of the circle. Therefore diameter equal to diameter of circle is root 8. Then what is this radius? Therefore radius is half of diameter. That is root 8 divided by 2. Root 8 divided by 2 is the radius of this circle. Radius is root 8 by 2. Now calculate perimeter of the circle. Equation is perimeter of circle equal to 2 into pi into r. That is 2 into pi into RE. R is radius. Radius is root 8 by 2. Here 2 cancelled. That is root 8 into pi. No need of applying the value of pi. Okay. Root 8 pi centimeter is the perimeter of circle. Then calculate area of circle. Area of circle is pi into r square. R is radius. That is pi into root 8 by 2 whole square. that is pi into root 8 square is root 8 into root 8, that is root 64. Root 64 is 8. That is square root of the square root of a number is the number itself. Okay, that is root 8 square is 8 divided by 2 square. 2 square is 2 into 2, that is 4. That is pi into 8 by 4 is 2 equal to 2 pi centimeter square. So perimeter of circle is root 8 pi and area of circle is 2 pi centimeter square. Understood? Next, third one. Third one is the circle and a rectangle. Okay, rectangle means the opposite sides are equal. Here the length of AB is 2 centimeter, which is equal to CD. So length of CD is also 2 centimeter. And length of BC is 1.5 centimeter and BC is equal to AD. Therefore AD is 1.5 centimeter because ABCD is a rectangle and the circle passes through all 4 vertices of this circle. We have to calculate the perimeter and area of the circle. Okay, so first calculate the radius of the circle. Join AC. AC passes through the midpoint or center of the circle. Therefore AC is the diameter. So consider triangle ABC. ABC is a right angled triangle. So AC is hypotenuse, AB is base and BC is altitude. So by using Pythagoras theorem, first calculate the length of AC. That is Pythagoras theorem is, by using Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equal to base square plus altitude square. Here hypotenuse is AC, that is AC square equal to B square, AB square plus altitude square, that is BC square. Length of AB is 2, that is 2 square plus length of BC is 1.5 square. 2 square is 4, 2 into 2, that is 4 plus 1.5 square. 1.5 into 1.5 is 2.25 equal to 4 plus 2.25 is 6.25. So AC square is 6.25. Therefore AC is square root of 6.25. What is the square root of 6.25? So we know that square root of 625 is 25. That is 25 into 25 is 625. Then what about square root of 6.25? That is 2.5. 2.5 into 2.5 is 6.25. Therefore the length of AC is 2.5. That is diameter is 2.5. Diameter D equal to 2.5. Therefore radius is half of the diameter. That is 2.5 divided by 2. Half of 2.5 is 1.25. Therefore radius of this circle is 1.25. Okay, now we got the radius of the circle, that is 1.25. Now calculate the perimeter and area of circle. Perimeter of the circle is 2 pi r, that is 2 into pi into r. R is 1.25 equal to 2 into 1.25 is 2.5. 2.5 pi centimeter is the perimeter of the circle. Then area of circle is pi into r square. That is pi into r. R is 1.25. That is 1.25 square. That is pi into 1.25 square is 1.25 into 1.25. 5 5s are 25. Remaining 2. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2 12. Remaining 1. 5 1s are 5. Plus 1 6. So 2 5s are 10. Remaining 1. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 5. Then 2 1s are 2. 1 5s are 5. 1 2s are 2. 1 1s are 1. It is 5 2 10 16 4 5 1. That is 1.5625 equal to 1.5625 pi centimeter square is the area of the circle. Okay, perimeter of circle is 2.5 pi centimeter. Area of circle is 1.5625 pi centimeter square. Now listen the second question. An isosceles triangle with its vertices on a circle is shown in the picture. What is the perimeter of circle? Listen the figure. Here ABC is a isosceles triangle. What do you mean by isosceles triangle? Isosceles triangle means two sides are equal. These two sides are equal. Then these two angles are also equal. So ABC is a isosceles triangle. And a circle is passes through all three vertices of this triangle. We have to calculate the perimeter of the circle. So to find out perimeter, we want radius of the circle. So join radius. Okay, join A and the midpoint of the circle. And given the length of AB is 4 centimeter, and since ABC is an isosceles triangle, this height perpendicular distance CD bisects the base. That means AD equal to BD. So this length is 2 centimeter. And the height of this triangle is also given. That is CD is 4 centimeter. And radius is not given. So we have to calculate a radius. So AC, AO, center is O. AO is R. R denotes radius of the circle. And this distance is also radius, isn't it? It's also R. Then CD distance is 4 centimeter. This total length is 4 centimeter and this length is R centimeter. Then what about this distance OD? OD is total distance minus this distance, that is 4 minus R. So length of OD is 4 minus R. Length of AD is 2 centimeter and length of AO is R. Now consider triangle ADO. ADO is a right angled triangle because this angle is 90 degree. So from triangle ADO, apply Pythagoras theorem here. Hypotenuse square equal to base square plus altitude square. So by using Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse is AO, that is AO square equal to base is AD square plus height is OD, OD square. That is AO is R square equal to AD length is 2 square plus OD length is 4 minus R. That is 4 minus R whole square. R square equal to 2 square is 2 into 2, that is 4, plus 4 minus R whole square. It is in the form x minus y whole square. What is x minus y whole square? X minus y whole square is x square plus y square minus 2xy. We learned this equation in 8th standard. Now, what is 4 minus r whole square? Expand by using this equation. Here x is 4, y is r. That is x square. X square means 4 square plus y square. Y is r square minus 2 into x into y. That is 2 into 4 into r equal to 4 square is 4 into 4, 16 plus r square minus 2 into 4, 8 into r, 8r. So 4 minus r whole square is 16 plus r square minus 8r. Now apply here, that is 16 plus r square minus 8r. Now listen, here there is r square and this r square are cancelled. So remaining terms 4 plus 16 minus 8r. Here this term is cancelled, so consider it as 0, equal to 0. 4 plus 16 is 20. 20 minus 8r equal to 0. Now shift 8r to the right side. That is 20 equal to, here it is minus, so it becomes plus, that is 8r. 20 equal to 8r, therefore r equal to 20 divided by 8. 20 by 8 is 5. So radius of this circle is 5 centimeter. This length is 5 centimeter. So this length is also 5. This length is 4 minus r. 4 minus 5, that is minus 1. So 5 minus 1, total length is 4 centimeter. Okay. Now calculate the perimeter of the circle. Perimeter of circle is into pi into r. Perimeter equation is 2 pi r. Now apply the value of radius. Okay. 2 into pi into r. R is 5 centimeter. It is 5. 5 into 2 is 10. 10 into pi centimeter. So perimeter of this circle is 10 pi centimeter. Okay, understood? Okay students, that's all in today's class. The next topic we have to discuss in next class. Thank you.